Q Services, Qwashers, here we are again. Kranzle, this is the TS automatic stop start machine, 7 litres, 120 bar, automatic stop start on the trigger, so pull the trigger, the machine starts and stops. That's not what we're here for. What I've simply got here is one that's really for the valeting market, for the hand car washing. What I've done is set up here a water tank down below. If you notice, that is below the head of the water of the actual pump itself. So that is below. What we're doing is sucking out of this tank. We've also got a system here where we're going to open the soap valve. We're going to take the soap through, which is foam, a watered down foam, as you can see. But what we're going to do is make it so you can show you how it works. So what we've simply got first of all is the valve is shut. The machine, you've got your regulator turn up and down on here for pressure and so on. But we've got clear water coming through. We've set this up on a quick release as well. So this is all set up on a quick release. We can interchange. We've got clear water. If we open this soap valve, you'll feel what's happening at the moment. The soap's coming up in the system. Just simply prime the system with soap. I've just pulled it out, that's all. I'm lifting it and showed you a minute ago. Priming it, getting the system primed, as you would do normally on any other machine. As you'll see, the soap starting to come up. I've got a slight kink in that pipe by the looks of it. And what we've got now is soap starting to come through. You've got soap at high pressure on this system. As you can see, it's a well watered down soap. But what I'm simply going to do now is simply to change the lance, and we can form as you want to. So this pipe just keeps pulling out, right? Keep it down. Now what's simply happening here is, there's no bottle on there, but what's happening is, this is taking air into the system here, so we've had a really good quality foam in now instead of a watered down one. What's simply happening is, you're taking extra air in, so where you're normally taking and sucking soap into the system, we're not, we're taking extra air in, so the system itself will produce better foam. Soap valve shut. Back onto clear in. Soap will stop coming through. You can just close the soap valve off. And you're back onto fresh water. To rinse down with. Like I just showed you before, open the soap valve up again. This into the tub. What's going to happen in a few seconds? You'll see soap starting to come through all over again. But the secret is, like I said before, is having your water tank on that system, so what you're doing is sucking up here and sucking up there. If you had the water tank at the same level, this system would not work. But like I say, it's a little machine that can be doing foaming all day long, and all of a sudden if you want to do something that's just clear rinse, you can do. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that's a 7 litre machine that will suck at 120 bar, only running at 1400 RPM, so it's ticking. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers.